First of all, I just want to thank you for the interview. It was getting bloody hard getting an interview from anyone, so thank you. So back in England, yeah, I got my bachelor's degree in fine arts, but after a couple years of job searching, I could not, for the life of me, get a single job as an artist. Not a single one. It was bloody impossible, mate. So, yeah, after me trying to pursue my dream as an artist, I give up. I had to. I mean, how else would I get famous, right? So, I had to start my quest for fame somewhere else. So a couple years back, my buddies and I started this band, yeah, called the Extremers. We're this heavy metal band that pushes things to the extreme. Get it? That's what's different about us. Because we actually do what our name says. So this was my last big shot, right? It's either we make it as a band, or it'll have to be a 9 to 5 grind for me for the rest of my miserable life. So one way for all of us to commit to the band was obviously tattooing our faces. I mean, how else are you gonna commit to something, right? It's either you believe in the cause or you don't. So we got bloody face tattoos, and it's ironic because the band failed, so yeah, we're stuck with this for the rest of our lives. But don't let these tattoos fool you. Yeah, if anything, they convey how committed I am to my craft and shouldn't put you off at all. For example, this tear here means tears of joy for a job well done. You hire me, I'll work so hard that I'll cry my eyes out. Okay, maybe that doesn't really make much sense, but you know what I mean. This wing on my cheek means I'm as free as a bird, but not too free because I still follow the rules. But if I have to, I can spread my wings and be the most open and imaginative person in the room. This erect penis on my neck shows I'm strong, hard, solid. You can't compare with me because I'm the hardest worker in the room. Oh, and by the way, my hair is rock solid as well. I mean, my intention wasn't to attend the interview ungroomed, and I do apologize for that. But again, we thought as a band, it was a good idea to not cut or wash our hair while we were in the band because we thought it was badass for some reason. So basically, I can't cut my hair. Okay, it's physically impossible. I tried scissors, I tried clippers, you name it. They all broke. So anyway, that's a little bit about me. Are there any more questions you'd like to ask me? So, do I get the job or not? Look, buddy, the position you're applying for isn't available anymore. So, our janitor just retired, and there's an opening for that. Oh, no. No freaking way. I am not doing that. See, it's that or you continue your search as a famous artist. So, what was all that monologue for? I mean, you just pretty much just wasted my time, man. No. Alright, we're done here. Alright, give me the number.